Tom here. Welcome to Alley Picked. Woodrow, wake up! While the polyurethane is drying on this tabletop, I thought it would be a good time to introduce my next video. For that, I'm going to take you back to my days in high school. Now, I don't remember a lot from my high school science classes, but there's one principle that's the source of all my alley picking today. Entropy. Entropy is the gradual decline into disorder, like this rusty table, or this broken desk, or this old bench. But you get the idea. Most people don't know how to deal with entropy or disorder. They throw away the disorder, which means there's an unlimited supply for me. Which brings me to the point of this video, and so I begin with this little story. My wife and I had just left our favorite ice cream shop. On the drive home after eating our ice cream sundaes, we hit a roadblock and got diverted into an alley. Poor me, I have to go through an alley. Well, we didn't get too far when I noticed something shiny. I saw that somebody was throwing out a stool. Of course, I picked it up and brought it home. I saw the potential in the stool, so I took in the orphan and gave him a new home, but not before I would clean him up and make him look presentable. After soaking in vinegar overnight, the 4 feet came out great, but then I noticed that the threaded part wasn't working. So I removed them completely and back into the vinegar for another overnight bath. After removing some of the rust with sandpaper and a wire brush, I treat it using OSPHO. If you don't know what that is, come back after this video and click on the info button at the top right hand corner of the screen. The seat appears to be made out of some sort of composite plastic. I took my orbital sander to it and was pleased with the result. After cleaning it off with some paint thinner, I waxed it with my magic oil. The rust is gone, but it left the metal pitted and discolored a bit, so I found some silver paint. Not a perfect match, but it's better than leaving it as it is. Well, I love it. It's a great little stool, and the shorter size allows me to work on projects that are closer to the ground without having to bend over so much. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. I hope you enjoyed this video and my little story about the poor orphan stool. Anyway, I hope this helped to inspire you just a little in the battle against entropy.